Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back, everybody. How is everyone doing? I hope that you all are doing well, in a great space and in a great place. And I'm glad to be back to share with you all things that I have planned. I will be getting back into doing the future DIY project series. I have one coming up. I have like 6 projects for that. Then I have other stuff, but guys, I have been busy. I guess it's been about a year since I last posted a video. It's been a year, and the video that I just posted up, that was done like 6 months ago. So yeah, things have been going on, but I've still been productive. I've still been doing things. I've made some headbands, some more headgear. I've made more jewelry. I have been participating in events. It's been a little slow since January, but all is well, all is good, and I am thankful. I'm glad to be back, and hopefully I'll be back producing more videos. Like I said, I do have a 6-part DIY future project series coming up, so I'm trying to get back in the loop. And that's why I went ahead and put out that last video, the jewelry box makeover video. I hope you guys liked it. I've been writing a list of content that I want to do for you guys, and I'll be doing a giveaway again. Right now I'm up to 2,800 and I think it was 803 last time I checked. But once I hit 3,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. That's why I'm back in the loop, because I want to show you my appreciation for all of you who have been hanging in there with me, sticking in there, watching my videos. I don't know if you're watching reruns or, rerunning them over and over. You're keeping me in the loop, even though I haven't been in the loop, and I appreciate that. So, with all of that being said, guys, I do have a DIY project for you today, and what I'll be doing is adding fabric to, this is the print that I'll be using. I have 2 prints, this one, and I have this one here. It's just enough to cover the plate. That's the last of what I have in that pattern. And the plate that I'll be using are these chargers, something that I thrifted from the Goodwill. So guys, if you want to see how all of this is going to turn out, don't go anywhere, and I'll be back in 2 seconds. Right here I'm using a can of Goof Off adhesive remover to get rid of all of the adhesive. Use a razor. After that, I use some 91% alcohol to get rid of the residue from that. Once my plates were clean, I moved forward with prepping the fabric to be added to my plates. And right here I'm just tracing out the fabric around the edge of the plate. Once I did that, I moved forward with cutting out that shape. And once my fabric was cut, I moved forward with putting the, I use Mod Podge glue. Oh, also make sure that your fabric is laying on the right side. The right side of the fabric goes onto the back of the plate. So right here I put Mod Podge, a generous amount of, that was too generous, but I used a generous amount of the Mod Podge glue. I wanted to make sure that I had great coverage, a really thick coating. And this is so that my fabric would adhere nice and evenly. So once I was sure and comfortable with how much glue, I laid my fabric on. Again, make sure that the right side of the fabric is placed onto the back of the plate, and just smooth down. Make sure the edges are flat and there's no wrinkles. Then I went ahead and put more Mod Podge over top of that to secure and add more stability, to the fabric so that it really stick and get a nice mold. Once I was satisfied with the amount of glue and adhesive, I moved that to a place where I could dry it. And right here, I'm just repeating the same process with the other print fabric. Once this plate was done, I set that to the side to dry as this one did, and as you see, it turned out perfect. No streaks, no air bubbles. It's perfect. Right here, I'm just cutting off the overhang. Once that was done, I took my plates outside and I gave them a nice spray painting. But what I did first is I put tape around the inside edge of the plate because I didn't want the spray to get up underneath and, you know, give it a mist of spray paint on the decorative side of the plate. If you can understand, if I said that right. But this is the spray paint I'll be using, which is the metallic gold and the clear gloss. So I just sprayed on 2 coats of the spray paint, of the gold spray paint. Then as they dried, I went ahead and put the clear gloss on. 2 layers of the clear gloss. Pour them back in after they were thoroughly dried, air dried. Remove the tape, and guys, this is the result of the spray. I think it turned out pretty good, but this is the final result. Here they are. They turned out perfect. Like I said, no air bubbles, no streaks, no no folding lines. And because these are decorative plates, I have them sitting on easels, picture easels. They're not too fancy. They came from the Dollar Tree also. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you like the content that I put out today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be listening out for the next video. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you know when the next video comes out, which will be this weekend. And also, you will be able to see what my next project is. And don't forget to comment, like, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next DIY. Bye-bye.